What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and this video is a jam-packed video. You guys definitely want to watch this video all the way to the end for many reasons. I'm going to be talking about in this video affiliate marketing, how to make money. So if you have zero clue about how affiliate marketing works, I've seen a ton of videos out there and they are talking about, how to pick your niche. You need to do this, exactly know what you're doing, which is right? Because you don't want to go into anything that you're not quite sure of what it is that you're going to be doing. So yeah, picking a niche is great. But I'm going to show you guys some tangible things, and I'm going to talk about some things. And also, see, I picked out my white screen, so I'm going to share with you guys tips that's going to make you money with affiliate marketing. So make sure you stay tuned, watch this to the end. And if you find any value in this video, share it to your friends, share with someone who you think this is going to benefit. Let me know in the comments what you think as well when you finish this video. So affiliate marketing, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is selling other people's product without you have to own it. So you can make money just by referring someone else to a product that they may have a problem and you have the solution. And what you do is you sell that product, and in return that company or whoever has that affiliate program will pay you a commission in return for your hard work. So that's why it's scalable. That's why there's absolutely no limit, and people are making a ton of money with this online. So I just want to share with you this tip. So besides, again, sharing all the tips and everything about the niche, how to have your landing page and all that kind of stuff. And if you want to learn more about that, I have videos on here that will explain to you more, but I want to go a little bit more further because I'm sure there's going to be people on here who probably know what a niche is and probably knows what a landing page is and all that kind of stuff. So let me just dive into things right away, right? And it's going to be 3 tips that I'm going to share with you of how to make money, right? And what you need, you guys must have a product that has a back-end offer. I cannot stress this enough, because why would you want to waste all your time just for a product that doesn't have recurring commission and doesn't have anything else to sell? You're basically going to get burnt out. You're going to be wasting all your money, and then you're going to complain and say, guess what? Affiliate marketing is not working out. And that's totally cool. So you have to have a product that has a back end offer. And what does back end offer means, right? It basically means if you are trying to promote an affiliate marketing program, and if the front product is $10, right? You want to make sure they have what we call a sales funnel. So a sales funnel is basically moving people through a process, right? So let's say they buy something for $10. If you are promoting a product that only sells for $10 and you're not making any more money on this back end offering, you're not making any more money, residual income or passive income is what we say, you're going to be losing out on a lot of money for many reasons. Where are you going to get advertising costs for this? And let's start out. Let's be real for a second, right? Let's be real for a second here. If you have some money that you want to go advertise, that's great. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to start a blog, Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is you want to use as a free method. Yes, you do want to have a free method and you want to have a paid method, but paid advertising works, and it does work. Why do you think there's so many companies online advertising, right? It is work, and you don't have to have a ton of money for you to get started. The only thing that you have to do is make sure that you test, keep testing, and see what works for you. So if you don't have a ton of money, free marketing it is. But here's the problem is, right? If you're going to spend all your time and all your energy trying to get $10, right? Trying to make a sale for $10, you're wasting your time. I'm just going to let you know that. You're absolutely wasting your time. Is your time worth $10? Right? I'm just being real for a second. So you have to have a product that, if it has $10, maybe it's a recurring commission, right? So that way, if they're selling this for 10 and you make $5 every single month from this product, that is a great offer. Why? Because nothing beats recurring commission. Why do you think Netflix is in business? Because they knock out Blockbuster, right? Because Netflix have a subscription base and people are paying for Netflix and they don't even watch 10 movies a month, right? Why do you think gym membership, people are making so much money? Because people are paying for it. They probably go to the gym 3 or 4 times each month, right? So you have to have a recurring commission in order for you to win big with affiliate marketing, especially you want to make a ton of money. Find an offer that has another product to sell. So whether it's online business or offline business, you're going to need another product. So let's say someone comes in and they buy this, right? The next one, right, you probably will make a little bit of money here, but this is probably not recurring, right? Sometime it is, sometime it's not. It depends on the offer. So you come in, you get $5 here, right? Excuse me. You get 25 here, right? And then over here, let me just shrink this for a little bit. Over here, you're making, let's say $100 here, right? And if the $100 is here, you're making $50 here. So if you add this all up, chances are you're making $80 from one customer. So that means when you make $80 from one customer, if your advertising costs cost you, let's say $40, right? Or even less to acquire this customer, you're now in profit because you have $40 profit. So you can use $40 to advertise to get more people to sign up, and you could save $40. Now, what if you were spending $40 to get $10? Where are you going to recuperate your advertising costs? Where are you going to get the money from to go here? So that's where a lot of people are not telling you. I'm seeing a lot of videos on here. Well, you need to do this and you need to pick a niche and you need to do this and, all that. Yeah, we all know that, yes, you need to pick a niche. You need to be good at, finding something that works for you, finding something that is passionate, that you're passionate about. But if you don't have this, this will always win. You always have to have a back-end offer. You have to have a value ladder in order for you to be profitable. All right. So the next step that I'm going to share with you guys, right? Let me share this right here. Hope you guys are getting some value from this. Let me know in the comments here. Like, show some love, give me some shares. Spread the message because I like to drop value on here, and I'm showing you what works for me. So this can also help you. I write things down. The next thing you want to do, right? You want to offer bonuses, OB, right? Offer bonuses. You have to offer bonuses to your customers. Why do you want to offer bonuses? Is because, let's say you're in I'm going to pick one of the coolest niche, right? Let's say you're talking about, dating niche, right? Let's go into dating. You're advertising about dating, right? Because there's a lot of dating things out there. And when I say media, I'm not talking about the kind of dating, right? But real legitimate dating site. So let's say you're advertising a site, right? And you need a bonus. So you can have such a bonus, such as 5 tips how to improve your relationships, right? So you can find something that you can get information about 5 tips that can improve someone else's relationship, because people, you never know what they're going through and they probably want to get a bonus. So when you advertise your ad, right, you can say attention, attention, whatever state or whatever, place that you're advertising. Some people probably want to go for a certain state if you want. So let's go for a state. So let's say you say attention, New York, right? Attention, New York. because sometimes you wanna use some words that grabs people's attention, right? Attention, New York. I can share five. I have 5 tips that I've used personally that help me in my relationship. I'm sure this works, and I'm not sure if this is something that's gonna be beneficial. Download this 5 tips for free, right? So when they download this bonus, right? One, they're gonna give you their email. So when they give you your email, right? You have this email on an autoresponder. Some of you don't know what an autoresponder is. I got some autoresponders in there that you can get some free trial down below. But an autoresponder is basically sending out email on your behalf without you sending an email to a specific person one by one, right? So 5 tips, they download it for free. You get the email, right? Now they're on your list, right? Which is the big tip, the final tip that I'm talking about. They're on your list, which is now your email list, right? So you can always email this customer over and over again. So that's how you're going to make money and more money with affiliate marketing, because you already capture that person's email, you have their attention. Now you can sell them an offer. And don't be afraid to email your list and let them know exactly what it is that you're trying to accomplish and give them more tips. So that way, when you send them the tips, you're going to always have this offer, right? The dating offer that you keep sending to them, sending to them, sending to them until they're ready to take massive action. So let me just recap again, right? Choose a product with a back-end offer some bonuses, and number 3, email marketing, right? So make sure you crush it with affiliate marketing with these tips. And if you guys want to learn more about like email marketing and stuff, I probably have a video on my channel that you can go through. And if not, let me know in the comments and I can create another awesome video for you guys. So let me know another video that I can put together that can help you inside of your business. All right. Thank you guys so much. My name is Andre. Subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you stay tuned for some more awesome content. All right. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, you know where to go. Link in the description. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.